Welcome to the Business Zone. Hi, I'm Del Murphy, your guide to the zone, where we talk about tips to help your business be more profitable. In today's session, we're going to talk about financial freedom through affiliate marketing. Meet Alice. Maybe you're like she is, overworked and has no time for herself, let alone family. Every morning the alarm clock goes off and she gets up and goes to work. Her drive is nothing but stop and go traffic. She works all day with the demands of everyone in her office. And then, after a long day, she drives home again in the same traffic. No time for herself. Off to bed she goes, and then she starts the next day all over again when that alarm clock goes off. Traffic again. Back at work again the next day. Traffic home again and again. Repeating over and over again. There isn't much flexibility in this, is there? Don't just dream about what makes you happy. Take actions to make it come true. Affiliate marketing can make these dreams come true for you. If your current income is flatlined or with inflation on a decline. If you feel stuck and unable to get ahead, then you're in the right place. The internet has opened up amazing opportunities for anyone, and affiliate marketing is just one of those opportunities. The concepts of affiliate marketing aren't anything new. This has been around since business itself. Here's how it works. A person creates a product like a book or a course and wants to sell it. You, as the affiliate, promote the product using your web presence. Someone buys the product and you get a commission. The thing is, the internet never sleeps, so it keeps working even when you're not. It works while you're traveling, anywhere you have internet. Yes, from anywhere in the world that you have internet, this system will work for you. The system with automation works around the clock, even when you're not. You create online content and promote the product, and then you get paid when someone buys it. I know starting something new can be scary. How, what, when, where are just a few of the questions you may have, but we're here for you. You may feel alone in this journey, but you're not. We're here. We'll help you find your path to success. Imagine your dreams coming true. Money problems gone away. Travel if you want to. All you have to do is take the next step. With affiliate marketing, you're in control of your life and your time. The financial freedom that affiliate marketing can provide can be amazing. My company, Freedom from the Rat Race US, is all about helping you find the path to your financial freedom. You don't have to go it alone. We're here for you. We can guide you in the learning process because we've been there too. So sign up for the free book and our free newsletter in the link below in the description. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week in the Business Zone. Don't forget to join us on the path to freedom with the link below. So click it now and get started. Once again, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe and bell button below. Don't forget to check out the links below in the description for more details, including a written version of this post. Thank you for watching again.